Welcome to 2-Minute Analysis. Our goal is to not only entertain, but provide value and insights about the investments you care about. Today's episode is from this user's request. So let's throw 2 minutes on the clock and dive in. Today, we're looking at General Electric Company, ticker symbol GE. Kicking things off here with the quant rating system, it is currently a hold rating on the stock, and we're going to dive deeper into the metrics in just a moment. Jumping over to the Seeking Alpha analysts, they are currently a buy in aggregate on this stock, and that's from 6 analysts providing coverage in the last 90 days. Lastly, Wall Street has a strong buy rating on the stock, and that's from 19 analysts providing their coverage in the last 90 days. To learn more about how the Seeking Alpha Quant system and the Seeking Alpha analysts outperform the market, visit the link in the description of this video. So let's dive deeper. This is a $321.77 billion market capitalization company found in the industrial sector in the aerospace and defense industry. Kicking things off here with the valuation grade, it is currently an F grade, and that's due to things such as this price to cash flow here of 33.91 compared to the sector at 16.68. If we also look at the EV to EBIT, you'll see that it's here 32.21 compared to the sector at 18.34. But one thing to remember is that investors are always willing to pay a little bit of a premium for a company like GE that has a nice backlog and good cash flow. Now, jumping into the growth grade is currently an A-. If we're looking at that forward revenue growth, you're looking at 14.45% compared to the sector at 5.62%. And looking at profitability grade, it is currently an A+ with the net income margin of 18.98%, completely beating out the sector at 6.58%. Now, the momentum grade is a B-. Over the last 1 year, GE has seen a price performance of 49.24% compared to the sector at just 8.59. However, in most recent time, 3-month price performance of negative 1.27% compared to the sector, which is up 7.46%. And the revisions grade is currently a B. That's 11 up revisions and 3 down revisions for earnings per share over the last 3 months, and 10 up revisions and 1 down revision for revenue numbers over the last 3 months. Now, General Electric does provide a small yield of just 47 basis points here. However, the 5-year growth rate is a nice 48.54%. Looking at the dividend safety grade here, it's A-. Dividend growth is an A-. Dividend yield is an F, and dividend consistency is an A-. If we jump into the dividend yield grade here, you'll see that it is trailing behind all of its sector peers. However, if we jump over to dividend safety, you will see that cash from operations is $8.54 billion compared to the sector at just $391.49 million, something that all investors should like to see. So come on over to Seeking Alpha, follow General Electric here, put it in your portfolio on your watch list, and that's going to wrap it up for this episode. If you have a ticker you want us to cover, add it to the comment section below, and don't forget to follow Seeking Alpha so you get notified when the next 2-minute analysis gets published.
Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Content provided for informational purposes only. Seeking Alpha does not offer any personalized investment advice and is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, U.S. investment advisor, or investment bank.